Hi, I'm Philip. I'm 55 years old and I live in Pretoria. This will be my first Cape Town cycle tour. I started long distance unicycling in 2022 and it has become something I really enjoy. It keeps me fit, focused, and challenges me in ways I did not expect. This ride is about pushing past self doubt and not quitting something just because it's difficult. I've started a Back a Buddy campaign to help cover some of the costs for the event. Any surplus funds raised will be donated after the event to Timmer Chokkers NPC, an organization run by my good friend Gawie van Niekerk in Danville, Pretoria. Through simple carpentry projects, Timmer Chokkers NPC helps young boys learn Christian values and important life skills. For many of them, Gawie is like the father figure they don't have. If you'd like to support my journey, I'd really appreciate it. And if you don't donate, sharing the campaign means just as much. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video clip. Please come and support us on the route.